Now children, today let's start with unit 3, that is our country, India. So let's study about the chapter 20, tourist attraction. So look at the picture and identify them. It is situated in China, second longest beach है world का. Right? It is the second longest beach of the world. What it is called? Mariana Beach. These Jain temples situated in Mount Abu, they are flourishing, decorated with carving. That is Dilwara. इस टेम्पल का नाम क्या है? दिलवाड़ा टेम्पल. About 15 kilometers from Ajmer, the Hindu shrine is famous for camel fair, that is Pushkar. Built by Raja Jai Singh, Jantar Mantar Observatory in Jaipur. It is a Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi on bank of river Yamuna. Rajbagh. There are 7 caves situated on the island near Mumbai. Famous rock cut temple and that is Ajanta cave. Now let's move to the next chapter. That is chapter number 21, G20. So India holds the presidency of G20 on 1st December 2022 to 30th November 23. Theme क्या था आपका? Vasudev Kutumbakam, only one earth, one family, one future. So here are some flags of the given of the different country. You have to write the names over here. First is your Argentina. This is Australia. This is Brazil. This is Canada. This is China. This is France. Germany. India. This is Indonesia. This is Italy. Next one is Japan. And last is Republic of Korea. Right? So 9th one, it is Indonesia. Italy. Japan and Republic of Korea. This is Mexico, Russia, Saudi Arabia, and last one is your South Africa. Mexico, Russia, then Saudi Arabia, South Africa. This is Turkey, US, and UK. Turkey, UK, US. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter. That is chapter number 22, India's neighbor. So, in the north of India, there lie China, Nepal, and Bhutan, and east there lie Bangladesh and Myanmar, Afghanistan, Pakistan. जो कहाँ लाई करता है टू द नॉर्थ वेस्ट. सो जो गल्फ ऑफ मन्नार है, पाल्क स्ट्रेट है, क्या करता है इंडिया को श्रीलंका से सेपरेट करता है. कहाँ? साउथ. सो विच सिटी ऑफ which you have to write the names and you have to fill the different questions over here, right? Now which city is the capital of Afghanistan? तो कौन सी सिटी है अफगानिस्तान की कैपिटल? दैट इज काबुल. Which neighbor of India is the second largest producer of opium in the? ओपियम का लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर बताना. अफगानिस्तान. What is the official language of Bangladesh? That is Bangla. What is the chief monetary unit of China? China की chief monetary unit क्या है? Yuan. What is the official language of Bhutan? भूटान की ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज है आपकी डजोंगपा. विच कंट्रीज कैपिटल इज यांगोन? किसकी है ये? म्यांमार की. व्हाट इज द मॉनेटरी यूनिट अगर हम बात करें म्यांमार की तो that is Kyat. Which country monetary unit is Taka? That is your Bangladesh. Name the currency of Pakistan. Rupee. Capital of China, that is Beijing. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter. Chapter number 23. That is ranks in India. Here are the commissioned rank in 3 services: Army, Navy, and Air Force. So let's study them and write their names from the 3 blocks. Now Army, Navy. Army में आपके जनरल होते हैं, Navy में आपके एडमायरल होते हैं, और एयर फोर्स में एयर चीफ मास्क. यहाँ पे लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल होते हैं, वाइस एडमायरल होते हैं, और आपके यहाँ पे क्या होते हैं? एयर मार्शल होते हैं.
That is not bad by well, that
यहाँ पे आपके मेजा जर्नल होते हैं, यहाँ पे रियल एडमायरल, और आपके एयर वॉइस मार्च। नेक्स्ट ब्रिगेडर, कमांडर एंड एयर कमांडर। कर्नल, कैप्टन एंड ग्रुप कैप्टन। लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल, कमांडर एंड विंग कमांडर। मेजर, लेफ्टिनेंट कमांडर एंड स्क्वाड्रन लीडर। कैप्टन, लेफ्टिनेंट एंड फ्लाइट लेफ्टिनेंट। यहाँ पे आपके लेफ्टिनेंट आएंगे और यहाँ पे सब लेफ्ट। Right? Now move to the next chapter. Chapter number 24, Civilization. फर्स्ट का बी, सेकेंड का डी, एफ, 800 BC का 8, एच, आई, सी। Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 25, Quiz on India. So, let's study about the quiz on India. To which state does Khajri dance belongs to? Uttar Pradesh. Which is the largest tunnel in India? सबसे बड़ा टनल कौन सा है? जवाहर टनल। Where is India's tallest chimney? Tallest, सबसे tallest chimney कहाँ है आपकी? टाटा। Tallest, which is the tallest lighthouse located? Where is tallest lighthouse located? That is bronze. Largest auditorium in India, that is your Shri
Hall.
which dance with its origin in Kerala is called Poor Man's Kathakali. Poor Man's Autumn. Thulal. State with the highest mineral output, Jharkhand. First electric train ran in 1929. Name the train Deccan Queen. Name the word. First hospital on wheel which was flagged off from Mumbai on July 16, 1991. Jeevan Rekha. Where did India Khardungla Road, world highest road? Leh Manali sector. World largest covered stadium, that is Yuva Bharati Stadium. Largest cave temple, Ellora. Now this chapter has been completed. Let's move to the next chapter. That is chapter number 26, famous score. Which famous Indian monument is called Black Pagoda? That is your Sun Temple corner. Who has been the only Indian Governor General of India? C. Rajagopalachari. Who has been the only Indian Governor General of India? That is C. Raja Gopalachari. Right. Who founded Brahmo Samaj? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Which Indian state you see in Yakshagana, the popular theatre from heart? That is Karnataka. What do Raja Rani rocket rover makes up? It makes Karjan.
Snox.
Who built city of Fatehpur Akbar? कारी कमदारी किसका है आपका? दैट इज कश्मीर. हु स्टार्टेड अमर चित्र कथा सीरीज? किसने स्टार्ट करी अमर? आनंद पाल. In the Ramayana, name Lakshman's wife. Urmila. फैनल सीड्स को हम क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में? सौंफ कहते हैं. वेयर इज फेमस भाई लोटस टेम्पल लोकेटेड? कहाँ लोकेटेड है आपका? न्यू दिल्ली. फर्स्ट इंडियन फिल्म मास्टर इंटरनेशनल मास्टर इन चेस? Now move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 27, Dams and Industries. So let's study about first is steel plant. ये आपका क्या है? Established in Russia. कौन सा आपका? भिलाई है. एंड इसको हम पैलेस्टीन जेंट भी कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज डैश एंड स्टील कंपनी established in 1911, oldest iron steel plant. Tata. Dash is a Krishna river in Andhra Pradesh. Nagarjun Sagar. Dash is an earth and rock filled dam on Bhagirathi River in Uttarakhand. कौन सा डैम है आपका? टेहरी डैम. तुंगभद्रा डैम इज अ जॉइंट प्रोजेक्ट. जॉइंट प्रोजेक्ट है किसका? आंध्र प्रदेश का. मालप्रभा डैम इज सिचुएटेड ऑन, किस पे सिचुएटेड है मालप्रभा? डैश इज मैसनरी डैम अक्रॉस करजन रिवर इन गुजरात. करजन रिवर पे है गुजरात में. तो ये आपका क्या है? करजन डैम है. Dash Dam is situated on river Bias, that is Pong. Dash is a joint venture of मध्य प्रदेश एंड राजस्थान, जिसमें आपका गांधी सागर, रतन प्रताप सिंह डैम और सागर. तो कौन सा आपका? चंबल. भाखड़ा इज अ ग्रेविटी डैम अक्रॉस कौन से रिवर पे है? सतलज पे. Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 28, Unity of India. So let's study second largest river basin in India formed by the river. कौन सी river है? गोदावरी, द गंगा ओरिजिनेट्स फ्रॉम, कहाँ से निकलती है? गंगोत्री ग्लेशियर. झेलम, रावी, ब्यास, चिनाब और सतलुज ट्रिब्यूटरी है. किस रिवर की ट्रिब्यूटरी है? इंदस की. रिवर गंगा इज जॉइंड बाय रिवर यमुना. कहाँ पे जॉइन करती है? इलाहाबाद. द कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ थ्री सीज, कन्याकुमारी और ऑफ इंडियन ओशन, बे ऑफ बंगाल and Arabian Sea. Indian extends from Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. The oldest mountain range जो आपकी lie करती है in the northwest part of the India, Aravalli. The eastern and the western Ghats are connected to, कौन से hill को connected है? नीलगिरी. Dash is the mountain range that extends through whole peninsular Vindhya. Right? Now our unit 3 has been completed. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.